everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the user role attribute for tags. To go to your user accounts, click on your service menu and under configuration click on user accounts. You're then going to click on user roles. When clicking on your user role, you will see the add and remove tags, and there are three options. None, which means that they do not have access to be able to add or remove tags. If you use add, it means users can add tags to both a child and a guardian. And if you have selected full, it means you have granted them access to be able to add and remove tags. Now I'm going to show you the difference between the three user accesses for tags. So first of all, let's look at a user with the role none. When going to a child or a guardian's details page, you will notice the tag field is locked. So when a user has selected none, it means they do not have the ability to add or remove tags. Updating the user role to add tags, users will have the ability when going to a child or a guardian's page to add tags only. You will notice that none of the tags in the tag field have the little cross for the user to be able to remove those tags. Now we're going to look at a user that has the user role attribute to allow them to add and remove tags. You'll notice it's now set to full. When going to a guardian or a child's details page, scrolling down to the tags field, you will notice that we can add a tag by clicking the Save Guardian, and we can also see the little cross to allow the users to delete those tags. And again, switching to a child's page, you will notice all the little crosses against the tags, allowing the user to remove. If you would like any further information on how to set up the tags user role attribute, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.